In this video, I will show you how to link your EA account to Steam. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the EA website, which is just ea.com. Now, from the homepage, if you're already signed into your account, the first thing you're going to want to do is sign out. So if you come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to want to click onto your profile icon, which is up here, and you'll see the option to sign out. So you just want to give that a click to sign out from your account. And that's going to take you back to the home screen. Now, next, what we're going to do is again go to sign in. So we're going to come up to the top right hand corner, click on your profile button, and then you want to click the sign in button. So this is going to take you to the sign in screen. Now, you can see you've got the option to sign in with Steam here, but please stay tuned and keep watching the video because there are a couple of steps you need to follow if you want to link an existing EA account. So from here, the first thing you're going to want to do is click the Steam button down here. And what it's going to do is take you across to an authorization page. Now, if you're not currently signed into Steam, it's going to ask you to sign in. So you just want to go ahead and do that now. So once you're logged in, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. And all you want to do is click the green sign in button down here to authorize EA to link to your Steam account. Next, go ahead and click allow. And you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to take you across to a page which says about creating your EA account. So don't worry because you don't have to create a brand new one. As I mentioned earlier, there is a way to link an existing EA account. So make sure to follow along with the next steps to learn how to do that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just go ahead and put your date of birth as normal into this bit here. And then what you want to do is click the next button down at the bottom. So when we get to the bit where it asks for your email address, now this is where you're going to be able to link your existing account because all you need to do is put the email address that is already registered for your EA account. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead and do that for you now to show you what I mean. And if I put this in and then go ahead and click the next button underneath, you'll see what's going to happen. We're going to get a message saying that an account already exists. So you can see this is ready to go. So all you're going to do is basically send across a verification code. So if you click onto next, you'll then be able to press a button to get a code sent to the existing email address. And what they're going to do is send that code across. So, of course, the next step is to go into your email, have a look for that code from EA, and what you'll be able to do is enter that here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you now to show you that this will link the existing accounts. So I've gone in, I've got the code there, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter that into here. And if you want to remember the device, then go ahead and leave that ticked and then click the sign in button down here. So it's going to come up with a final confirmation saying about linking accounts. Of course, from this page, you can read through the privacy policies and user agreements if you want to. And then if you're happy to go ahead and you can see you've got the right accounts, just click the blue link account buttons down here. Finally, you're going to get a confirmation saying that your account has been linked and a blue button which says get started. So once you click that, you're all good to go and your accounts are now linked. So I hope this tutorial helped out today, and if it did, as I said, really appreciate it. If you were to drop down below the video, leave a like on the video and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.